Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zahra and
And my name is Habibur Rahman.
so
Today,
today I want to interview Rahman about our topic is online education versus traditional education.
okay.
So there's several questions that you will answer.
Hmm,
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay. So the first questions. What do you think of when you hear the word about online education and traditional education?
When I heard about online today, online education, I immediately think about Zoom class and Google Classroom, and then educational content in the YouTube. And for the traditional education, I think about real class, like we have to attend the class, um we see,
Face to face?
yeah, face to face, and lecture teaching on whiteboard, taking notes, social interaction, teamwork, real experience, blah 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 blah, and
Anything else?
just that.
Just that. Okay. I hear you that when
When
you
you hear that.
when you hear about online education,
Yep.
you think about Zoom application, right? So, when the pandemic COVID-19, we used to have Zoom to our education. How do you feel about that?
How do I feel? I feel like at first I feel happy because I don't have to I don't have any class anymore. Just in my home, being a knowledge person, 24/7,
Mhm.
and then I feel lonely,
Oh, lonely.
and
Maybe
then I don't get it.
because you don't
Yeah,
have friends.
in the class I don't have any friends. So,
Okay. So, what type of education that you choose between online education or traditional education, and why?
for me, I chose traditional education because I will get better focus because we can make any noise in the real class because we can turn off the mic.
In your class?
If in online class we can turn off the camera
Oh,
and
okay.
turn off the mic.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we have to build discipline and the traditional class. That is what I like of traditional class. And the type of gas on the uh, um, riding your bikes with speed like that. And um, I usually at, at on the way um, I usually listen to music too. That is what I like from traditional class. And then what else? Um, 'Cause I can meet my friends here at traditional education. I can meet my friends like you in the campus and many friends. I have many friends in the campus.
Really?
Yeah, it's like extend the class, extend the program study, and extend the faculty like semi and Najib and blah 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 blah. But I don't have any friend in my class.
Oh, but the other faculty or other
Yeah,
jurusan, you have friend?
cause yeah, because in extended class I can choose whoever to be my friends. I have a standard to make a friend like I have to um, the same hobby, the same activity, the same ambition with that person that I will make a friend. And in my class, no one is ha- no one have the same ambition, activities, and hobbies like me. Oh, I have one friend that um, has the same hobby like me. He's like singing like me.
Oh, your hobby is singing,
Yeah,
same as her.
yep.
Okay.
My hobby is reading a books and oh yeah, listen to music and singing. Oh, that is also why I chose traditional education because I love to read physical books and books like the fact when you touch the paper on the physical books.
Mhm. Because it's real, feels
Yep.
more real.
Yep. And
Else?
then for online class, online class. Online class, I don't get it all on the online education now.
Okay. So we
Next
back to
question.
the questions.
Mhm.
What advantage and disadvantage of online education have you experienced?
In my experience, the advantage is flexibility. I can study anywhere. Like yesterday, I'm studying from Kopi Kenangan with my friend, that with my external class friends. Because I don't have any friend in my class, and then um, we go to the Kopi Kenangan for
Mhm.
hang out together. Then we have online accountant class. The number two is comparable because I can read anything, relaxing and stress free. Like at pandemic, I can just wear my uniform, my top uniform, and with
Oh,
short
without.
pants.
Okay, I
So I can
know.
turn off the camera and turn off the mic and
And
just
you
listen
sleep.
to the teacher.
Oh, you're not sleep.
Nah,
Okay,
I
that's good.
forgot sih. Maybe I have experience live on the class, online class. I don't know, but in offline class, I have many experience of it. Because I'm too tired, I'm too hungry. Because I can like you know you can attend the class with snack or eat nasi padang in your hand like in the online class. Okay, the next advantage is
Mhm.
advantage.
Advantage
Advantage.
or
Oh yeah, yeah.
disadvantage? And
We
disadvantage.
talk about what
Online
online class,
education. Yeah.
online education. Oh yeah,
Online
yeah, yeah,
education.
yeah.
Advantage and
Sorry, I forgot. I
disadvantage.
have golfish brain
Okay, it's
like
okay.
others. At least it's goal, guys. Advantage number three is access to information. Like we can we can get the education on the YouTube, TikTok, websites, or anywhere, and you can pick which video do you want to watch for your study. If you don't understand one video, you can pick another video, and then the the last advantage is in social media we also have tons of lesson like on TikTok. I when I was in high school, my FYP is about math and um, English. They, yeah, I learn English. Accent the school, not in the school, cause yeah, my friend have. When I was in high school, I have no friend that have the same interest in English or math. I am a very tough person like that. I am a bookworm and blah 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 blah.
Okay.
For the disadvantage,
Disadvantage?
on the online education, there is so many distractions like notification or FE apps and distraction from your chat group, all distraction from social media. So on TikTok, we have so many information and too much scrolling makes you doom scrolling and ah, you don't your brain don't get anything from that TikTok because too much information um, in my yeah in my brain. And then the next question.
The next question. Okay. How about advantage and disadvantage of traditional education?
Hmm, in traditional education, the advantage is hmm, the communication. I think 'cause I can ask and because I can ask my teacher and get the instant answer, and then not like in the online class you have to apa ya cut the explanation first, or when you just watch the video on YouTube lo, you can ask the creator. Oh, you can ask them the but hey Ian, that is
Distracted, guys.
distraction.
Please.
Oh, and on the YouTube you can ask the creator, but we will get the lab answer, not in the traditional education. And the the second advantage of traditional education is better focus because there is your distraction except your friends,
Oh, yeah.
like you have the serious atmosphere in the traditional class, right? You can make any noise when your teacher explain you about the material, and then on the traditional education, there is you you can get more social interaction like with your friend on the class, on the canteen, or even on the what library, right?
Oh, yeah. With your friend, you can go to
Yep.
the library together.
Mm.
How about the disadvantage?
Disadvantage is hmm, lack of flexibility because you have to attend the class on time, and then you can you can eat something in the class unlike the online class. And then what else? Yeah, you have limited research because you just learn on the book that teacher gives you. Even um, in the library, it's still limited books in like the a library, right? And then the another disadvantage is hmm, incompetent teacher. Some lecture is boring
Oh
or
yeah.
unclear. For an example, in my class we have matkul Yeping. uh, um,
Who is that?
oh, what's that? What is that? Matkul listening and dosen Yeping. Guess the apa? Guess the subject. Ian, guess the subject Ian. What is that? The subject, the unit. No. Unit subject like like every faculty have to learn about it. Like UPB, UPB, you know.
Just
The,
say it.
the answer is not that. The answer is Pancasila.
Oh,
Pancasila is the most boring subject because like in the Pancasila class, I feel like teacher
he didn't give any
tell
explanation.
um he just yep um yep and no
Talking
and
about
yeah like
family, maybe.
no
No.
talk about the subject though but it's like one way lecture I can they 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 don't interact with um his student like he he's yapping 1 hour full. I don't know why he enjoy it. And the another disadvantage, do I have another disadvantage? Oh, if you have group project, you will get difficulty of that because sometimes live far away from the campus or each other house. That makes the group project more be lab and struggle like this. We have the different program study, right? We have a struggle with the schedule to make this video.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, the next
So,
question.
last but not least, do you think traditional education more effective than online education?
Hmm, no, I don't like the attend the class on time. I still like traditional education because of traditional learning is more effective because of it will it gives you it improves your focus teach you about discipline and time management and then hmm, what else yeah you can get the direct feedback like I told you before and then real interaction what else oh yeah you have less distraction on the in the traditional in the real class and better understanding because you can ask whatever to your teacher and will get the answer okay I just that's it all other question
So, nothing
nothing
question.
yeah alhamdulillah.
It's enough question, guys.
Okay
Okay, that's all. Everyone, thank you for watching and see you
bye
next time.
bye dadah dadah
We have guests.
wah we have